How to add music to a Facebook post. What's up everybody, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can do it within some simple steps. So let's start the video. First thing is you can open Facebook, and then once your Facebook is opened you should be finding this given interface. Now from here what you can do is simply go ahead and look out for what's on your mind. Just go ahead and tap on what's on your mind. After that, you can go ahead and type in a post, or you can select up a photo or video. Let's go ahead and select up a photo and video first. For example, I have selected this picture right here. So all you gotta do is once you've selected the picture, you may scroll down, or before that, you can go ahead and tap on the three dot, or you can just simply tap on the picture. And once you tap on the picture, you should be finding a music icon at the top. Click on it. And once you click on it, you can select up a music that you would like to prefer. For example, this one right here, click on it and select up the music. You can select up the time frames as well. Click on done at the top. Place this bookmark, this mark anywhere you prefer, and then click on done. After that is done, you can wait for the processing to be completed and tap on the post at the top right corner. And once that is done, your post should be posted with music on Facebook, and that's it. That is it for now. You may follow the similar process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.